Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we help you find ways to make money online. In this video, we'll be discussing a popular website called Wintub that pays you to watch videos, play games, and complete surveys. If you're looking for a way to earn money online, then this video is for you. We'll be covering everything you need to know to get started with Wintub and start earning money. Let's start with the basics. Wintub is a website that rewards users for watching videos, playing games, and completing surveys. The website is free to join and available to users worldwide. Once you create an account, you can start earning money by completing various tasks on the website. Money with Wintub is to create an account. Simply go to the Wintub website and click on the Join Now button. You will be asked to enter your email address and create a password. Once you've completed these steps, you can log into your account and start earning money. Website link in the description. One of the easiest ways to earn money with Wintub is by watching videos. The website has a wide variety of videos available, from movie trailers and music videos to funny clips and viral videos. Simply choose a video to watch, and you'll earn money for each video you watch. Another way to earn money with Wintub is by playing games. The website has a variety of games available, from puzzle games to action games. You can earn money by playing these games and reaching certain milestones, such as getting a high score or completing a certain level. Wintub also offers paid surveys, which is another great way to earn money online. Simply complete surveys on the website, and you'll earn money for each survey you complete. Surveys typically take between 5 to 20 minutes to complete and can pay anywhere from 50 cents to $5 or more. If you're looking for a way to earn passive income, Wintub also offers a referral program. Simply refer your friends and family to the website, and you'll earn a percentage of their earnings for life. This is a great way to earn money without having to do any additional work. And there you have it, our ultimate guide to earning money online with Wintub. We hope you found this video helpful and that you're now ready to start earning money with Wintub. Remember, the key to earning money with Wintub is to be consistent and complete as many tasks as possible. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for Wintub today and start earning money.